we're on this rather steep hill right at the moment. We're about to walk a 5k route that takes us through, oh, as I said on the bus, around three or four bays. But it's rather hot, so we're not going to push it. And also we're going to check out each bay when we're there, so it should be a nice day out really. We're hopefully going to go and also feed, what are they, like parakeets later or something? Back at that koala reserve, because it's something I did when we were here 6 years ago and it was hilarious. And yeah, that's our day's plan for today. Look at those sexy legs. Whoa. Socks and trainers.
Yo.
So when we rented the Mokes, we were told we weren't allowed to go down this path. And we didn't understand why when we were walking down it. Well, these some big potholes. Look at these little ant nests. They're sick. How pretty is that? Oh, Soph, look, there's like a river that joins it at the other end. Can you see that river? Right there. Tell you what, if Florence Bay is half as beautiful as Arthur Bay, we're in for a treat. I mean, look at that.
What is the cost of freedom and who pays it? Is the world not one big slave ship where some still whipped and stripped naked? All your freedom is written on your payslip. First world gripe, but the so-called third world fight is still right in front of our eyes, where most of humanity lives in abject poverty by design. Is that not insanity? Even here in Britain ain't so great the living, so the kids will stick the clipping while the silly politicians keep bitching, as if it's not their mates that are making the weapons that are doing all the killing.
Apart from the relentless heat and the fact that I'm losing all my bodily fluid through sweat, this place is pretty fantastic. We would like to stay longer at each bay, but the heat is relentless and we want to get a swim in, so.
Lost as you, was confused and abused, so please don't put me on any kind of pedestals. An egotistical, arrogant dickhead. When I'm ready, I'm working on it, but I don't think it's getting any better. There is love in my heart and I'm trying to spread it out, still fighting not to punch the sarcastic in the mouth.
Well, Australia, you truly are a challenge. We're hiking a very bushwalk, trail, and it's rather hard because it's so hot, but it's fun, although Soph doesn't think so.
I ain't got a clue what's beyond the grave. I do know we behave in the strangest ways, where murder and rape is how we get paid. But we love our kids and we gotta look them in the face, so we tell ourselves whatever we think will justify our habits. But no, we can't go on living inside this palace, surrounded by the squalor, the worship of the dollar, and characterized, the brutalized as the robber, where the robber is honored and kids are cannon fodder. There is no flag that's large enough to wrap around the horror. Robber is honored and kids are cannon fodder. There is no flag that's large enough to wrap around the horror, where the robber is honored and kids are cannon fodder. There is no flag that's large enough to wrap around the horror.
You got to know this ain't no West End story, and you don't mind if it should get a little gory, 'cause all they want to know is what do you have for me? Don't you know this ain't no West End story.
It's real life, listen.
Oh my god, that was so loud. I got bread all over my face. Oh.